Yeah, Christmas is a really special time, and at Haigh's it's no different. We're very big on tradition. We're a fourth generation family Australian business, and we're really proud of that fact, and we're proud of the traditions that we also have at Christmas here. One of the lovely traditions that we started back in the 1980s was the creation of our Christmas Pudding Truffle. And we started off making 5,000 of those, and we now make over 150,000. So they've become a great tradition with our customers, and they're purchased in abundance all over the country. The pudding is a beautiful soft truffled centre that's been flavoured with Christmas spices and a little bit of French brandy. They look so cute on the table. You can put them in front of everyone's place setting on the table. I know in my family they get eaten before, during and after Christmas lunch, so often they don't last very long at all. And one of the best things is they taste like real pudding, and you get the extra chocolate yummy bit as well.